It is Sunday, September 1st, 12:30 p.m. We're at Pontarelli Field, Rhode Island College baseball field. It is the Connecticut Hurricanes Region from Oakdale, Connecticut. They're the home team against Brookline Bandits. Number 3 on the mound, right-hander for the Canes. Dev is going to lead off for Brookline. It's overcast, 77 degrees. First pitch of the game. Swing and a miss. 0-1. This is the third game of pool play for Bandits, second game for Canes. It's low, 1-1. One and one. Dev's leading off, top of the first. Low, 2-1. Throwing hard. 2-1. There's no one out here in the top of the first. Low, 3-1. Hurricanes are in dark uniforms with sort of a white stripe across the middle. 3-1 pitch to Dev. Inside corner, it's called strike. 3-2. Payoff pitch. Grounder to second. Just beat him to first. One man out. Max was hitting 2. One man out, top of the first. Inside corner, it's called. There was a light spitting rain earlier. It seemed to have cleared up right now. 0-1 on Max. Swing and a miss. Inside fastball. 1-1. 0-2, sorry. 0-2, 1 out. Wait. Two men out. Caden's hitting 3. Bandits are 0-2 so far in the tournament. Canes are 1-0. Foul out of play right behind home plate. 0-1 on Caden. Pitch. First changeup was called strike. 0-2. Catcher setting up. Low outside. 1-2. 1-2. There's 2 outs. We're in the top of the first. There's no score. Three sets. Pitch. It's hit the center. 1-2-3 inning. End of half. There's no score.